Today, I'm going to show you how to make a ham and cheese sandwich with mayo. Ready? Okay, let's begin with the ingredients. We need bread and we need 2 slices. Here are our 2 slices of bread. We also need cheese. And this cheese is already sliced, so perfect. We're also going to need ham for our sandwich. And our final ingredient is going to be mayonnaise. All right, you're also going to need a couple of things to make your sandwich. One is a knife and a plate. First, take 1 slice of bread and a knife, and mayonnaise. Open the mayonnaise and spread the mayonnaise on the slice of bread, like this. If you need to add a little bit more, use your knife to get more mayo and spread it on the bread. Very good. Next, add a slice of ham to your slice of bread with mayonnaise, like this. I have a very big slice that is folded in half. If you have a smaller slice, you might want to use 2 slices of ham. Then you're going to add the cheese. Here's a slice of cheese, and you add it. And last, you get the other slice of bread, put it on top, and enjoy your sandwich. Yum! I hope you enjoyed this video. And now you're ready to write your own recipe by listing the ingredients, which are the things that you need in terms of food, the additional things that you need, like a knife or a plate, and then write the recipe with first, next, then, and last. Good luck and goodbye!